What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Just a quick one today. Actually, we'll see how long it takes, because what we're going to do is we're going to take this fully charged, hot off the, well, it's not hot, you know, I let it charge, or I let it cool down when I took it off the charger, so, but it's full. Full battery, 9 amp hour battery in the Dewalt 60 volt top handle chainsaw. Pay no attention to the ripsaw sticker. I have one of those coming. I ordered a ripsaw, what was it, a 201T from like Ripsaw's website, and then they sent me stickers, so I put one on here. But I don't have that saw yet, so I can't do a review of that yet, but I will eventually. So what we're just going to do with this saw today, I got a comment on my last video. They were wondering how many cuts you can make before, you know, you run out of battery. And I guess we're going to test that today with a 9 amp hour battery on pine logs. I have a couple pine logs over here, a couple pine logs over here, a couple pine logs over here. We're just going to cut cookies with it, just back-to-back cookies, and see if we can overheat the saw, or if the saw will just keep going until the battery gets, you know, low enough that it dies, or if we have another issue with it. These are all... So DeWalt on their website claims, I don't know what battery they were using when they... There's a fucking thing there. I don't know what battery they were using when they made this claim on their website, but they claim that you can cut through 160, or you can do 160 cuts of pressure treated pine with this saw. I don't know what, or 4x4 pressure treated pine. So this is actually over 4 inches, and it's not pressure treated. It's about 5 inches. We've got this one here. Probably won't do anything with that one. That's too small. But we got this one here. That's probably about the same, 5 inches or so. So this should be a pretty direct comparison. We're going to end up cutting this one too. This one's probably maybe 7 inches really. That one there is probably about 5 inches. So we're just going to cut starting with those ones, and then we'll get to these ones, and we'll see how long this battery lasts, just because I'm a little bit curious. So I don't know what battery they were using when they said they could get 160 cuts on pressure treated 4x4s, but I assume that they tested that, and that it's accurate. So we're basically just going to start cutting cookies, and we'll see how many we can do. This is the Oregon Speed Cut Nano bar and chain. Oregon makes the stock chain for these saws as well. So this is not the stock chain like per se, but it is effectively the stock chain, because you put this and the stock chain right next to each other, and it's very obvious that the stock chain is just like a, I don't know, not so, like, I don't know, you'd be able to see if you had the stock chain and this one next to each other, they're pretty much the exact same thing. And then of course the bar really isn't going to matter. We'll see how it oils too. After doing all those back-to-back cuts, we are full on bar oil. So that's enough talking. Let's just start cutting cookies, I guess. Chain's getting a little loose from the heat. It's got oil on it though. that anymore. Alright, switch to the next log. Still have 3 bars on the battery. Battery is not even hot, not even warm at all. I might be here a while. Still got oil. Down to 2 bars now. Still got oil. We're down to 1 bar. Still got oil. Tip's kind of hot, not really. Just warm to the touch. Still on 1 bar. Oh, push it too hard. Oh, it's not happy with me now. I think we might be done. So what I'm getting now, flashing white light. I did get a red light here, and I also got a, I believe I got a red triangle too, either that or an orange triangle. 0 bars, flashing. See if we can make a couple more. No, I think that's all we're gonna get. Okay, saw is okay. I'm gonna call that it. Let's see, bar still has oil on it. Granted, not a ton, but it still does have oil on it. So that's good. That's good. That was a lot of back to back cutting. Battery is not hot, but battery is not cold either. I'd say it's warm. Not too hot that I don't feel comfortable doing this with it. It's not hot. So that might seem kind of funny to some of you, but I've had these batteries get really hot using the 60 volt rear handle, you know, the big 20-inch 60 volt saw. See what happens if we try to turn it back on now. Oh, of course, nothing. Battery's right here. So I don't know if that's not a good commercial for the Dewalt 60 volt top handle. don't know what is. Oh. No, she's done. She's done. Okay, we'll let her rest now. See how many cookies we cut. Alright, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 4, 6, 8, 30, 32, 34, 36, 37, 38, 39, 41, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 79, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 102, 104, 106, 108, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, and 3 fell back. 15. The other ones fell out the back. So for them to cut 160 pressure treated 4x4s, they must have been using, oh, there's another one, 116. They must have been using the 12 amp hour battery, I would assume, not the 9 amp. Or they may have been being sneaky and using the 15 amp. But either way, 116 cuts on wood varying from what's probably 5-inch to, let's see if we can find a big one here, like this one. 5-inch to, I don't know, let's give it a quick check. That's what I say, that's probably 5, that might be 4, that one. Nope, 4.5, almost 5 inches. And then this one is just about 6 inches. So they might have been, they're probably using a 12 amp when they got that number. That's about 6 inches. Plus they were using pressure treated wood. This is green freaking pine, hemlock, whatever the fuck this is. You know, it's got sap in it, that's all I know. So yeah, I'd say that's pretty good. I'd like to see somebody do that with a Milwaukee. Cut me 116 cookies of, we'll call this 5-inch. Some of them are 4. Well, no, they're more like 6 inch because that was 5 inches. These are 6 inches. We'll call it 5.5 inch, 6 inch pine. 115 cuts. So that's pretty good. That's like a lot of wood. Like, obviously we're just doing cookies to test it, but like that's you can work with this saw for hours and just on one battery. Like if you're not doing back-to-back cuts and if you're climbing, you could use one battery for hours. So I say pretty good. You guys can check out my chip pile. This is my hand file that I did. Got some long ones in there, a couple long ones. Got any really long ones? There's a really long one right there. Nice good inch or so. Anyway, that's my little quick video for today. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know if you guys want some free sawdust. I got plenty. All right, see you later. Bye. Oh, because I know somebody's gonna ask, oh, is this motor hot? Nope, motor's not hot. Not hot at all. Someone's gonna ask me, how much bar oil did you use? Ooh, I used a lot of bar oil. Let's see. I can't really tell. I used most of it. So yeah, every battery you gotta fill bar oil because she is low.